I'm with Stephen Nixon, the Managing Director of Bernhard, and we're on one of the more interesting stands in the show. And it's interesting for a number of the reasons, not least the fact you've got some new products this year, Stephen.
Yes, we've showing 4 new products, 4 out of the 5 new products that we've got for 2020. So this year we've really concentrated on bringing our grinding systems and the full range of products, or nearly the full range of new products, to show people at BTME this year. So we've got a lot to talk about. It's pretty good, really.
That's fantastic. And you would think that you guys have been at the forefront of grinding for any number of years now, but there's still new things coming out. Can you talk about some of the new technology that you can see in a modern day Bernhard grinder?
Yeah, it's pretty incredible, really, because you think, how far can you push a grinder? But we've got a whole new engineering team that joined the business, started about 3 years ago, and the fruits of their work's coming through now. So they're putting things like lasers onto the grinders now to ensure the reels are absolutely parallel and determine the shape and the condition of the reel before we grind it. There's all the new top-of-the-range grinders are all fully connected on the network, so we can delve in at any point and look at what's happening with the grinder. We could send down software updates online. We can speak to them through through the grinder. All the grinding programs are all stored on a credit card side.
Sure, it's like a loyalty card for.
It's a card just like this. So all the parameters for every mower user are all stored on there, and you basically touch the grinder and there you go, away you go.
Amazing.
So
Amazing.
It brings consistency to the process. Along as all the latest lighting, LED lighting, and nice touch features. There's so much technology. The things even email you when you're not around to let you know where they are in the grinding cycle, if it's finished or not. It's pretty amazing. I've just got to get my head around using it all now.
Well, exactly. I mean, what are these R&D guys going to come up with next? That's what you tend to think, don't you?
Well, the great thing is the base platform that we've put into these grinders now sets out the next 10 years of development. So you will see new things every year from Bernhard's, and really pushing the boundaries on technology. It's pretty exciting where we're going with this. We're working with really proven companies like Schneider, etc., who are big global businesses that are helping us develop as well. So it's exciting times.
And your customers and potential customers, they've presumably been excited about what you're doing here and what you've, over the course of the show, they'll have been coming on to see what's next.
Absolutely. We launched the top-of-the-range grinders just before Christmas, and we've absolutely smashed our sales figures already. US being very keen to take the latest technology, but also in the UK as well. And surprising people you wouldn't believe would go for the top of the line have gone out and bought them, and they're excited by the technology.
It's a case of getting people to realise that don't always go for the lowest price. Go for the best quality, because that'll stand you in good stead for a longer period of time.
Absolutely. The kind of future-proofing their programs and the way they want to maintain their machinery moving forward. And these platforms are flexible, so it allows the grinder to progress with them and keep moving forward. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of really out there technology and exciting, and we were kind of nervous whether it was too soon or not, but it's been received extremely well.
And it'll give your sales team plenty to talk about when they get out there in the field.
Absolutely. Biggest feedback we get from our sales people and our customers is, why should we buy a new grinder? The Bernhard's grinders last for 30 years.
That's the problem.
What am I going to get from buying a new one? So it's always been an obstacle to selling the next one.
Yeah.
Now there's a reason for them to change.
Yeah.
And it's opening up a good second-hand market with the older grinders for the people that are just getting into grinding, and giving established clubs with grinding already in their facilities a reason to change and move forward. So it's the right time.
Wonderful. Well, good luck for the rest of 2020 and the rest of with all this technology due online for the next 10 years, all planned out. Yeah. Good luck for that period as well, Stephen.
Thank you very much.
Great stuff. Thank you.
Great.
Okay, thank you.